Hi everyone, there is a change that has happened on WhatsApp ever since WhatsApp went down, and you have to make this change unless things are going to happen. So, what I want you to do is follow this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be telling you other changes that are happening on Facebook, on Instagram, on WhatsApp that has made things difficult for you. So, now let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to go to your WhatsApp app, okay? Click on it. When you get in there, click on settings. After clicking on settings, you want to click on account. Then click on privacy. When you get to privacy, you click on your groups. You notice that it says everyone. Now, you don't want everyone in your group. You don't want to be able to add you to a group. This is very, very bad. So click my contacts so that only your contacts can add you to a group. After that, click on that privacy and you are done. Now you've made these changes. Share this video to everyone and see you in another video. Bye.